We have just relisted an exceptional luxury villa project that has been finalized a few years ago. In this occasion here, we are showing you the finished project here in Zenia Beach. To start with, we are here on this beautiful outside plot of 665 square meters with a superb south orientation, sea views from the terraces and the roof terrace. And it does come with this beautiful Travertine natural day tiles. It also offers this amazing pool. It's about 10 meters length by 4 meters. And this one actually comes with a heating system, with a cooling system for summer, especially now when it's boiling and super hot here. And it also has like an incorporated stream, so that you can actually create waves and the stream that you can swim against it. This is really pure luxury and comfort in the exterior, where you can enjoy the sun on this easy maintenance plots, on this lovely pool here. Exterior barbecue area. This has been ordered specifically for this spot here, and it comes like with a 10 years guarantee, super resistant for the exterior, to enjoy the sun, to enjoy your barbecue, all accessible from the lounge, from the kitchen and from the bedroom through these super secure, bulletproof French windows placed everywhere. The main level features an open-plan layout with a spacious living and dining area, floor-to-ceiling windows, a statement fireplace, and a contemporary kitchen imported from Sweden at a value superior to 150,000 euros. From the ground floor level, you actually access like one bedroom on this side here. On the ground floor, you'll find this massive sized bedroom with its own ensuite bath. The bathroom features designer fixtures, premium materials, and sleek modern finishes. This is a massive size here with direct access to the exterior. Through this French door windows again, you reach the outside terrace and the pool area, and you have all this natural light coming in through these French windows, which is excellent. You don't even need a lighting in here during the daytime, and it feels really cool and big and comfortable in here. In the basement, you will encounter a private gym and another large bedroom. This is a massive space again, like look at all that size for own entertainment, fitness, again with access to the exterior, like to the driveway and the garage. And from here, I mean, you can really use this room like for big families or guests coming over and wanting to stay here for an extended time, because it's a fully self-contained apartment with all these massive size rooms like this one here. It's a very great feeling, very big. It even feels a bit cooler than upstairs now in the middle of the summer. From here, we actually reach the access to the private garage. This is what I love about this house. It's just the space you find here. Like, this is big enough to park 2 cars, to, you know, to store all your accessories, your e-bikes, and use it like a hobby room again, or anything you want. Again, this here comes with an electric point to recharge your electric car if you have one. That's been already invested in, and it's been, you know, fitted. It's fully working to plug in and feed an electric car. As we are reaching the first floor, here we'll have another 3 large bedrooms, including the master bedroom, which is like its own apartment. Because of its size and comfort, it's just beautiful. So, what I like of this bedroom here is not only the size, it's also the fact that this is linked to this conservatory here, where you are overlooking the pool. And again, you can see the sea on the other side. It's very convenient. These here are the well-known glass curtains, but of superior quality in this case. So these can be actually opened up completely. Which allows you to create this open space to transition from the interior to the exterior, right on your terrace, again with lovely sea views from here. Outdoor space spans over 426 square meters of terraces and garden with mature palm trees, tropical landscaping and high quality finishes that create a relaxing environment for outdoor living. Nearby La Zenia Boulevard, a selection of restaurants and cafes and the N332 Coastal Road offer convenient shopping, dining and regional access. It was a pleasure to present you this exceptional villa in La Zenia with all these extras in this superb location. I hope you liked this video. In this case, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and to leave us a comment. And if you'd like to arrange a viewing, contact us anytime. I look forward to seeing you in Spain.